In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign on Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and open the dashboard. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. From there, select Create or Create Campaign to begin setting up a new email. Next, choose your campaign type. For a standard email or newsletter, select Regular Campaign. After that, you'll be asked how you want to begin. You can start from scratch if you want full control, or choose a template if you'd like a faster starting point with a pre-designed layout. Now it's time to choose your editor. Mailerlite usually gives you a few options, including the drag and drop editor, the simple editor, and the custom HTML editor. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest option because it makes designing your email much more visual and beginner friendly. Once you're in the editor, design your email by adding your text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want your audience to see. Take your time here and make sure the layout is clean and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing to move on. After that, enter your campaign details. Add a campaign name so you can identify it later inside your account. Then write your subject line, choose the sender name and sender email, and add a pre-header if you want a short preview line to appear alongside the subject in inboxes. The next step is selecting your recipients. Click Select Recipients, then choose the groups or segments that should receive this campaign. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments so the message only goes to the right audience. Before sending anything, review your email carefully, preview it, and check how it looks on both desktop and mobile. This is important because many subscribers will open emails on their phones. Also review the subject line, sender details, links, images, and overall content to make sure everything is correct. It's also a good idea to send a test email. Click Send a Test and send a copy to yourself or a teammate so you can catch any last-minute issues before it goes out to subscribers. When everything looks good, click Send or Schedule. You can choose Send Now to send immediately, Send Later to schedule a date and time, Deliver based on time zones to match subscribers' local time, or Smart Sending, which uses optimized timing on eligible paid plans. Finally, review everything one last time and click Send Now or Schedule. If you schedule the campaign, it will stay in the outbox until it's sent. After delivery, open the campaign from the Sent folder to check the report and see how your subscribers interacted with your email.